Ndewono. Hello. No. Welcome. Ahambo Ifeanyi Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I have my students here with me, and we're going to continue talking about the alphabet in Igbo language. Last time we went over the first three alphabets, which are A, B, Chi. Today we're going to continue with the next three alphabets, which are D, E, Fi. A word that starts with D is
Dibia or Dibia Meke. Dibia is a native doctor, and Dibia Meke is a medical doctor.
Good job. Dibia means a native doctor. Dibia Beke means a medical doctor. A word that starts with E is
Ekete, basket.
Good job. Ekete, basket. Another word that starts with E is
Ego, money.
Good job. Ego, money. Another word that starts with E is
Ewe, monkey.
Good job. Enwe, monkey. A word that starts with Fi is
Fi, photo.
Good job. Fi, photo, which means photo. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Bye.